Hi, how is you? Karibu, karibu. How is the going? How is life outside as a citizen as you're waiting for the exam? I hope everything is well. Let's trust God that everything is going to be well. Welcome. We had a training and a Zoom class on how to make income online. I know some of you never participated, but here we are. We want to have another class, another brief session on how you can make income online and any other way. But before then, let me first of all introduce you to life after Form 4. This is Simon from MIPS College, as you know. This is where we manufacture CEOs and we help you to start making your own income. What next after Form 4? There are things that came to an end immediately after the exam. I know you have discovered that, like the company, the discipline, ile unaamshwa, una time ya preps, time ya kutake food, parental help. Parents used to give you pocket and some shopping. Those things came to an end, including the societal sympathy, unahurumiwa na watu wa society, haka ni kama mwanafunzi. Those came to an end. Now, there are things that you should now adopt immediately. For example, you should now connect with the parents. You should seek parental blessings immediately. You will not make it in life without parental blessings. Connect with your talent. What is your talent? Start solving problems, simple problems to make your own income. Partner with God, know God more, and be a blessing to the society. Work with the society. That is the foundation. That's what you should be doing, waiting for the exam. And believe you me, your future is going to be very, very bright. So discover your talent, market yourself, and let me tell you, much of the efforts of becoming a rich you, of you becoming a wealthy person, 90% is within you. 90% is within you. Avoid idleness during this time as you wait for the exam. Avoid idleness. Now, let me take you through I'll take you through 8 ways, simple ways of making income online. They are very simple. I will not go deep. So if you have any question in any of the way, you will ask me, you will comment here below, and then I will send you the links so that you can proceed. The first one is graphics design. If you can be able to do Photoshop, you do animations, there is a lot of money online. Digital marketing. If you can be able to buy products and sell, not only online for international companies, but even for local companies, including MIPS, you get commission. Many people are getting a lot of money from that. There is social media management. All organizations, they have social media, Facebook, Twitter. They need managers. Can you be able to do that? That is, you make good income by only managing and conversing with their customers. Online tutoring. Can you be able to teach what you love? If you love cooking, if you love English, if you love mathematics, chemistry, what do you love? If you love farming, can you be able to teach? There is a lot of opportunities online. Selling photos. I mentioned to you during our last session that there are some sites that buy photos, like Shutterstock and other sites. Can you be able to take good photos and then sell? Academic writing. I told you that when I was in campus or in college, I used to do academic writings and I bought my own car while at the age of 23 because of academic writing. Would you be interested? Comment there. I will send you the link. Transcription. This is where you convert audios into written scripts and then you are paid per minute. It's one of the best way that I recommend from Forivers to engage right now. We have Kido Publishing. Can you publish a small book on your area of interest? What you love doing most? Publish just a book. The good thing with Amazon is that they publish and sell for you, and then you'll make money. So those are simple ways, 8 simple ways. In case you need any explanation for those ways, comment here below, and then I'll come back to you. So you can join us online. You can call us. That's our office line. We have many courses. You can choose one of the courses there at MIBS. And remember, when you join us, when you join MIBS, I will hold your hand personally. Besides taking the course that you'll be taking, I'll hold your hand and I'll make sure, just like other CEOs, that you start making your own income. However, even where you are far, let us connect. I'm passionately and I'm willing to help you. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Stay safe